What's up, everybody? We're going to check out the Springfield Armory Hellcat. Now, why did I buy this gun? I bought this gun because I wanted something with a higher capacity, but something compact. Something at least 10 rounds, but something compact that I could really carry around without weighing my pants down, without really being a problem, without even knowing it's there, and without other people knowing it's there. And I found this, and this just fit exactly what I was looking for, because I didn't want something too compact to where I couldn't get a good grip on it, where my pinky would hang off. And if we bring the box back over here, well, you have all the manuals and everything in there. And we open this up. You get your lock, whatever. But we get another magazine. This one is 11 rounds. And the one that's in here is 13. But this is, I mean, if it was any shorter, that grip might not have been good, but this is perfect. I mean, the gun and the capacity, I mean, I don't know how, it couldn't be better, really. This is the perfect size, the perfect capacity. It's exactly what I was looking for. Now, I want to talk about, first of all, I'll show you that this one actually came with this piece in the box, but I replaced it just to see how that looked like and how it felt. I mean, to make something this compact even more compact, to see what that would be like. And I don't like it. But, if you like to be as compact as it could be, then maybe you'll like that. But for me, I'm gonna keep these on the mags, and they're different too on each one. On the 11 mag, this one was on there, and as you can see, the grip is different. The grip is just in the front, whereas this one is in the front and it goes all the way around. So, yeah, the mags are a little different, but they both fit. So, that's what matters. All right, now let's talk about the gun. That's why we're here, right? That's the topic of the day. A lot of people have been talking about this trigger. They say that, well, the main point is, like, they say it gets locked. Now, I'm doing this on purpose. I'm purposely locking this. And as far as I've played around with this, I can only do this when I try. I was really iffy about buying a gun without a safety. Reason being because I like to carry one in the chamber and have the safety on. So I was iffy about this. But after playing around with this trigger, what people say is a bad thing about this gun, I feel extremely comfortable carrying one in the chamber and carrying this on me, whether it's in my pocket, in a holster, whatever. I feel extremely comfortable. Reason being for what people say is bad is that even if, let's say, there was a little fairy in my pocket and it was doing this to the trigger with one in the chamber, that is not going to go off. But if I need to pull the trigger, it's that simple. I don't know why people would say it's a problem. Maybe people bought this because it was small and they have smaller hands, and maybe they can't, when they go to reach around, maybe they don't have a full grip. Just to give you guys a little bit of information on the size of my hands. I am 5'7", 160 pounds. My hands aren't large. My hands are small. They're just average for someone who is 5'7" and 160 pounds. And this is fine for me to pull. I've don't have any problems. And like I said, only if I like literally intentionally try to like, and I'm not pulling either. I'm not pulling how you pull a trigger. I'm literally like pushing like that. I mean, I love this trigger. It makes me feel comfortable with a gun that has no safety. And I actually like it better, not having a safety, that I can carry one in the chamber and know that this can fumble around all it wants to. I mean, it's literally made just for a finger to pull it, and that's it. Anything else, good luck, really. Good luck getting that to go off. I mean, I don't understand how this became a problem for people, but I think it's great. I think it does its job, and that's the kind of the funny thing, everybody like complaining about something doing its job. So yeah, the Springfield Armory Hellcat. I'm blown away by this gun because I went around looking at tons of guns, and for hours I was looking online for guns, and I just couldn't find one that was very small and compact and had over 7-8 rounds. But this one, 13 plus one in the chamber. Grab this. So, like I said, this one, just to give it another look before I take it apart, it sits in, you have where this sticks out, it sits right inside there. I love that this is an option, because, really, I think that looks good, and it could work. I could carry it like that. I just want to have that little extra grip. I don't think it makes enough a difference in concealment, and especially weight. It's not going to make a difference to, really worry about that. But it's what you prefer. Maybe that little extra bit you find it annoying or rubbing on you or whatever, but I'll show you how to change that out. You push that down, and now this is going to release, and you just slide that out and hold your thumb over it so the spring doesn't come flying out. Take your other one, get that spring back down in there. Oops. Keep the spring down, and it just snaps back like that. And now and these grips are a little different. Like I said, they are a little bit different. So you do have a little bit of a different grip with these different clips. This one is a little bit more. You have a little bit more of a grip there. So there's something else I wanted to add to this review of the Springfield Armory Hellcat, and that is what they say about the adaptive grip texture. And they show these little pyramids and stuff. Well, here's the gun, and I have a microscope here. So I wanted to go ahead, let me focus this microscope and zoom it out so we can get a good picture of what the grip actually looks like. And it's not far off of what they advertise. Now, as to really what that is supposed to do, or whether it really does what it says, I'm not too sure. But, it does look like what they say it looks like. So, one more thing I want to add too is, earlier I had mentioned my height and weight to give people an idea about, if they could get a full grip on it. Well, I had my friend come over and we started shooting, and he's about 6'5", somewhere around there, and I wanted to see his hand on it. He could still get almost a full grip. He hung off a little bit more than me, but it probably looked like that. I thought it'd be way more than that, but it's not too big of a difference.